Okay, guys, this is going to be the class for today. We're going to do an equations workshop, and this is going to be your task. Okay, you're going to do this 5 points, and I know you are going to experience a lot of difficulties and questions, but you don't have to worry because we are going to do it here in classroom with all of your classmates and with me. So you don't have to worry because the objective of doing this is for you to clarify your doubts, okay? And leave this topic. Okay. So thank you for your attendance and good luck because you're going to need it.